What would you say your expectation, being that you have the system up and running and you've been doing this for a while, if you were to buy a cheaper piece of land like I did, $1,000, water and sewers there, and you're looking to sell it for 5 or 6 grand, what is a reasonable expectation for how long it'll take you to sell that?
When I just had one property, I mean, a week or 2 weeks, 3 weeks top. In the beginning, I was like a crazy lunatic when it came to selling a piece of land because I couldn't leave my money locked up very long because I was spending rent and grocery money.
That's
So,
right. Yeah.
I mean, I would like, if I had it more than 7 days, I'd start losing sleep at night.
Okay.
Now we'll buy more than one parcel at a time. So on average 30. I have a rule of thumb. If I can't sell in 30 days, there's a problem. It's either price too high or we're not advertising it in the right place. Or, if it's priced too high, that's easily fixable. You lower the price and add interest.
Okay. Yeah, I need to. Okay, I have a couple parcels. I need to work on my marketing. I think I've gotten lax there. Not spending enough time on it, re-upping my postings and whatnot. Okay. I have a couple parcels that have been sitting for a while.
That tells me right there, if you're laxing on something, get it off your plate. Because as entrepreneurs, as CEOs, business owners, if we want things done, we have to hire it out, delegate it, and now that person's accountable for it. It's kind of like our mailing. Our mailing was so inconsistent before when it was on my shoulders. Now I have someone hired, and that's one of her top 5 tasks. That's actually her number 1 task. If the mail doesn't get out, like, she knows it's like she's going to answer to me. But you better believe she does it every week, man. And that was consistent in my business.